Welcome back everybody to this new video of the TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you in a very easy way how to start with templates into Notion and how you can sell your own Notion templates. So let's understand the Notion. Notion is an amazing powerful tool for note-taking, project management and organization Notion templates and pre-designed setups that you can use to streamline your workflow. So they can be anything from your personal planners to complex project management systems. So to get started, first I'm going to leave a link down below in the description so you can have a free account using Notion. Now that you have access directly here into Notion, you want to understand how to create your very first template. So you might want to be having access into Notion.so. So here what I need to do, of course, is to get started with which is the Notion would you like to get started for personal use, for school, for your team, whatever. You can skip all of this for now and you can start totally from scratch, believe me. So let's start by beginning creating an actual template. So if I go directly into my workspace, here we have an actual workspace. And what I can do is I'm going to close this. I'm going to look out here for this workspace and I go for adding here a new element. So customize my template by choosing into add a new page. So I go for add a page. And here, this is the name of my page. So for example, here it says no page insights. So after you have to choose the layout that fits your needs, you can use text, databases, calendars, and more to build your template. So for example, let's go for daily routine. I can add a cover if I wanted to. So I go for change my cover and I can choose a gradient. I can look out for LinkedIn, upload and so much more. So let's go for linked or like this link. And let's go and open a new tab. Even what you can do is to look out here into Unsplash, which is totally for free. So here into Unsplash, let's say that I look out for a workout, for example. I can reposition it. So I can move this like this, and here's my daily routine. So let's go for Monday. And this is the part where I can start customizing everything. So even what I can do is to type here. Like here into Monday. Let's go and look out for exactly the same thing. Tuesday. There we go. So now I'm going to select all of these elements and I'm going to go for be bold, select here, and let's go for ask the AI. So into ask the AI, let's say create a daily routine for a healthy meal, or let's say healthy food. And of course, the artificial intelligence would be creating, let's say, for example, like something really easy for me. What I can do is to customize my template by adding blocks. So I can add different types of content. So I can add text, checkboxes, databases, and much more. Once you've finished generating all of your elements, let's say this is truly easy. Of course, this is totally simple, but you can, of course, use more elements to share them later. So to share your template, click into the upper side that says share. Into share, we can toggle the share to webbed or go for anyone with a linked ad. So anyone who is acceptable here. So I'm going to go for copy this link. To sell my template, we can of course list it into platforms like the Gumroad. You can hit into Etsy or even your own website. So if I open, for example, Gumroad. Now Gumroad is a website where you can buy and sell digital products, design and so much more. So if I go for Gumroad, first of all, what I'm going to be doing here is to look out for elements that I'm actually trying to sell. For example, in my case, Notion templates. So asset and templates. So I go here for Notion template, and you can see made by Notion, web designer bundle, how to promote ChatGPT in 2024, Notion Money Academy, and so much more. So what I can do is to select the element I would like to use. For example, here, check out this element was created with Notion. So what I can do, of course, is to create an account and to sell this directly here into Gumroad. So let's go here into start selling. And into start selling, I'm going to create my account. So after you create your account, it is time to add your very first item, which in this case is your actual routine template that we created here into Notion. And now as you can see, here's my daily routine template. So into content, what I can do is to enter the content I want to sell. I can upload the files or start typing. So I copy my link and I paste it here. There we go. Publish and continue. And there we go. So as you can see, this is really easy how to create some template using the actual Notion and sell this into Gumroad. You can sell this into Etsy and so much more elements. So With that being said, guys, we've now reached the very end of the video. You now know how to do this in a very easy way. You can do so much more here into Gumroad and here into Notion as well. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully this was very useful for you, and well, see you next time.